Yodel-lo. I can yodel fast.
Yodel-lo.
They can yodel slow. Yodel-lo. I can yodel high.
Yodel-lo.
They can yodel low. Even when my friends are far away, they can still hear me call. Yodeling brings us together. It's the sound that connects us all. Yodel-AY-HEE-HOO, go-to-lay-hoo. Yodel-AY-HEE-HOO is my hidey to you. Time for you to give it a go.
Who, me?
Yep. If there's someone far away that you want to speak to, then you've got to try yodeling.
Oh, Maddie, you can yodel to Mr. S.
Go on, Maddie. Try it.
Okay. Yodel-AY-HEE-HOO. Dad, can you hear me? I don't think I'm doing it right.
Sounds great to me, but you got to really commit.
Whew, okay. I'll give it my best shot. Hey, Dad, can you see we've reached the top? I'm too far, you can't hear. Yodeling brings us together, so Dad can hear me loud and clear. Yodel-AY-HEE-HOO, yodel-AY-HEE-HOO, yodeling is fun. Here's my hidey to you.
That was awesome!